Hey, what's up guys? Sean back with you. I just want to do an unboxing today. I got the steering wheel in with the short hub and the quick release for the S2000. So I want to go through and show you what steering wheel I went with. First off, I want to go off by saying that I love the S2000. The only thing I hate is I do not like the steering wheel at all, or the seats in them. I think the stock seats are fine, just the ones that I have in my car. They're pretty old, and the steering wheel is a pain for me. I'm 6'1", about 210, 215 pounds, and it's a pain getting in and out of the car. So I went with the B-style Sparco steering wheel. It's suede, so it's wrapped in suede. I love the way the suede feels. And this car, I'm not going to be daily driving the car, so I went with something like this. I know if you're going to be dailying a car like this, suede's not the probably not the way to go, because it gets ruined easier than I guess leather. But I went with this style. I think it'll be easier for me to get in and out of the car, especially with a quick release. I'm hoping that I won't have to keep taking off, on and off the steering wheel with a quick release to get in and out of the car. But as of right now, with the stock steering wheel, it's a pain in the ass getting in and out of the car. So I'll show you the quick release. The hub is pretty straightforward, but I'll show you what color I went with the quick release. Hold on. Push you. Alright, so with the quick release, I went with NRG. I went with the Neochrome style. I think it looks really, really cool. And if you see my other videos with my S2K, the color of my car is Laguna Blue. So I think this will look really, really sick. I have other interior pieces coming in. I'm replacing a bunch of interior items. And I think it'll flow pretty well with this going in the car. So this is the quick release. It's a little bit different design than the other ones with the handles. This one you just push up and pull. Like I said, I'm not going to be. I'm hoping that I'm not going to be taking off on and off the wheel a lot. So I went with this style versus the other style, but I think this looks really, really cool. The hub is pretty straightforward. It's a short hub, so it doesn't stick out as far. So that's the hub. That's what I went with. So install video will be following up shortly. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.